As with all food pairings, it pays to know your wines. And now that we understand our Syrah, we can pick some easy to make apps that will bring out all the best in these wines. Obviously, our wines are from California, but because Syrah originates in the southern part of France, we're going to take a Mediterranean approach to our dishes. Dates, figs, and strongly flavored cheeses are all staples of the Mediterranean diet. And you'll find all of these on the table in southern France, including some form of cured meat, typically sausages or pork lardon. Let's go with some blue cheese stuffed dates. The smokiness of the bacon in this dish will bring out those gamey qualities in our Syrah. The sweetness of the dates will counter the tannins, and the tanginess of the cheese will frame that delicious bramble of berries in each of these wines. The south of France incorporates flavors and textures from nearby Italy, and polenta can be found on every menu. The creamy texture and the neutral flavor of the polenta in these bites will help balance the tannins in these wines, while the fontina and mushrooms will dance between the berry flavors to kind of give us a sort of sweet and savory effect. Both of these recipes are relatively easy to make with just a handful of ingredients that you can easily substitute with flavors and textures that you prefer. So great wine pairing can be that simple. Just start with some high quality ingredients, great wines, keep it simple, and you almost can't go wrong. Enjoy these in good health. Cheers.